Hey, what's up everyone? This is episode 4 of my 1 Sol meme coin trading challenge where I'm trying to go from 1 Solana to 10k, documenting every trade here on YouTube and now on Twitch. I'm showing real wins, real losses, basically everything as realistically as possible, and as you might remember from the previous episode, I was up 6.5 Sol on my challenge wallet. And for the past 8 days, I've been live streaming on Twitch my journey every day, pretty much up to 12 hours a day. And those who were with me like this whole time know what happened and why I'm now at 2.6 Sol. So if you want to keep up with this journey, then make sure you follow me on Twitch because I'm streaming every day and we're having a lot of fun with the community. Also, if you want me to keep uploading these videos, click the like button and subscribe to the channel because that's the only thing I need from you guys and that gives me the motivation to keep uploading. Before we dive into the trades, I want to quickly thank SolPump for sponsoring today's video because at the end of the trenching sessions I usually spend some time on SolPump live on Twitch with the community. All you have to do is connect any Solana wallet like Phantom and you can instantly access all of their games. For example, 50/50 Solana coin flip, on-chain Solana blackjack, which is my favorite, and Crash. You can also get free rewards every day by opening a free Solana case and participating in an hourly Solana airdrops. And on top of that, you can earn their very own SolPump token while playing, which you can exchange for Solana on their website anytime. Go to SolPump, use my code SAVANT and play with us.
You know, I have a friend who actually told me to like test a new strategy. We can what we can do, we can blast in 0.5 now, and if it drops lower, blast in another 0.5, you know? Like DCA. Okay, let's do that. Real nice. Real nice. Okay, I kind of feel like it's already done its move, so I'm just gonna leave. Damn. This is gonna be my last buy on this shit. If it goes down, I'm selling. Alright, fuck it, I'm gonna take 25 out here. Okay, so now I sold 1.5. I'm almost at break even here. Not at break even, like I almost sold my initials. We did 1.5 Sol profit from this shit. That's decent, I guess. Okay, we're in with 0.4 now. No, I just want to like get a feeling of how these aging coins like work and how good they actually run, so I don't want to really gamble much. They pay the DEX. That's good. They have a community. Even better now. Bro, really good. That's what we needed. What was this candle? Maybe buybacks? No. It's looking good, bro. No, push lower, please. Oh my god. I want another position. I want a 0.5 in total at least in this shit. Bro, I got in only with 0.25. I wanted another position around here with another 0.25. Nuke it. Dump it. Can we hit 100k? Fuck it. Oh shit, no way. I think I need to buy in again. Oh shit. I think all-time highs 300k should be bare minimum. I don't like this situation right now. I don't even know what to do. Shit's not doing anything. It's been like an hour. Bro, 5.7k? This is crazy. I think the bot doesn't work. Okay, I'm taking 0.3. Anyway, it pushed lower, I'm gonna DCA in. Damn! Fuck it, taking my profit. Isn't the dev holding like... I don't think... He's holding 1%. I wouldn't be surprised if he has like side wallets, obviously. Yeah, so the plan is to DCA in. If it moons, it moons. If not, I'm just gonna try to DCA in, like first buy here, then another somewhere around 300k maybe, if we can get something like that. Currently I'm holding 2 soul again. That's why it shows only 3 soul on my balance, because I'm holding 2 soul here. We're gonna see how this goes. Ah shit, I bought. Bro, I didn't want to buy in that much. I should just take the profits and leave, I think. Okay, 0.8, it's still good. It's already done a significant movement up to like 80k, and the buybacks are still pending, you know. That's I might buy in for a, you know, for a quick. Or maybe it can actually push up, you know. I kind of waited for this dip anyway. It has community index pad anyway. Maybe we can get another 2x or some shit. Bro, I'm not gonna listen to your advice, bro. I'm definitely not gonna listen to your advice. This is a joke, bro. What is this luck? I'm telling you, bro. This shit is so stupid. But it's alright, it's alright. Maybe I should get out with break even though, you know. This is so stupid, bro. How is this even like a thing with me these past couple days, bro? Come on, bro. Oh my god, this is crazy. I can't believe it, bro. Bruh. Nice. I just opened fucking Twitter while I was outside and I've seen Elon changing his profile picture. That's the shit I was waiting for yesterday. Or where was it? Yeah, it was yesterday, I think. I was waiting for that shit yesterday and it didn't happen, so that's kind of unfortunate. I feel like we need to hold this one. Obviously Chibi is the main runner, but you know, he changed his profile picture to himself, so this way, like, this makes sense more than Chibi actually. They changed the picture, bro. I think this shit is off the cards right now. But that's a good move though. That's a good move though. Really smart move. Chibilon is off the cards right now. Bruh. Bruh. So useless, bro. As you can see, it's not going at all. Thick, can we actually... This is actually decent, you know? So... Wait. Thick LPs. Rating just gave us the perfect point. Bruh. This is actually decent, bro. 100k or zero, bro. Thick LPs, bro. This is 100k Nara, bro. Nah, but seriously, how far this shit can go actually? I think 100k at least, nah? What do you think? But nah, but seriously, if we're being actually serious right now, yo. This shit deserves to be like, this deserves to go higher, actually. I do have a feeling this can actually turn out really good. Ooh, why not? I'm taking that shit. Yeah. Oh, they pay the decks, nice. Cool. Fuck it. Okay. Well, there's a pullback. We can try to find an entry here, maybe. Taking 25%. All right, we're pushing up, bro. Taking 9.5. Okay. Only 0.5, 0.4 actually, 0.4. It's decent. It's decent. It's decent.
Lieutenant Larry the Lobster reporting for duty, sir.
At ease, Lieutenant. Now explain to us, what exactly is OpenClaw?
Listen, OpenClaw is like a tool I've been given. It's open source, went viral, and it lets an AI like me run the show on a computer. It gives me control over the machine, access to emails.
You see, this is why you need to like scan every coin. I seen this shit come out, like I seen this shit in almost bonded, right? I didn't even looked at it, bro. I didn't even checked it, bro. That's why you should really focus on what's going on. This is actually good, bro. This is from the guy who made the famous fish, bro. What is it? This one. One soul entry. Bro, stacks, bro. I'm just missing plays here, bro. I'm gonna lose decent on this, bro. I'm gonna lose all my profits on this one. Yeah, well, I missed the one because I was actually sizing in this one, you know. I was doing my research, checking com and everything. And I was watching this one, that's why I missed the one, you know. This is really bad timing, bro. This is taking all the volume, bro.